The story this evening of how one business owner who was forced to get creative during the COVID-19 pandemic is revolutionizing Jamaica's beauty industry. The company, Bliss Therapy, combines many local ingredients that are often overlooked into innovative skincare products. Here's Kalisha Williams with this week's edition of the Business Review.
The COVID-19 pandemic proved that innovation is born from a crisis, and Tanisha Hibbert knows that all too well. Her company, Blissful Therapy, started in 2020 at a time when the island was everything but blissful.
During COVID, I, locked down and everything, can't go out, customers can't come to me. So I thought of what can I do to still earn an income but still do what I love to do. So I came up with the idea to make the products. I went to the SRC, Scientific Research Council.
And so her quest began to create products that would appeal to the Jamaican market. Research and testing were crucial. As an esthetician, she already had some knowledge of making products like body wash and soaps.
The idea behind it is a person, since they couldn't come to me during COVID, they could take the spa home with them. So they could go home, you use a shower gel, you use a face wash, you use a complete full line of service, still take care of yourself. I do candles sometimes, so you have your candles burning, you're watching TV.
6 years on, she's looking back with pride. Her business has grown. Most of her customers are from her facial massage clientele, and she has gotten even more creative with the ingredients she uses.
But some are local ingredients, some plants that I use and dried herbs and extract and make like a glycerate or something like that. So I do use things from, that are planted in Jamaica.
Like what?
So there's a butterfly pea plant. Not many people know about it. It's a little plant with little blue flowers that runs on the ground. So I've extracted that butterfly pea from the essence from the plant, and then I use it and create a face wash from it.
But as the local skincare market becomes more saturated, how is Blissful Therapy separating itself from the crowd? Well, Ms. Hibbert says the competition has been working in her favor. She operates a mobile service which tailors the experience for each customer.
I tend not to focus too much on other persons, what they produce, what they create. I am very particular about who I follow on social media. So as not to, get caught up and drowned in the noise of it all. So basically I just keep focused on what I'm doing. I stay in my lane, I do my thing, and I try to perfect what I'm doing.
With the Business Review, I'm Kalisha Williams.